Hey guys, thank you for clicking on today's video. In today's makeup look, I'm going to be trying to recreate a glossier makeup model. And that's just basically like really glowy and simple and natural. And I think I did a pretty good job. So if you guys want to see how to achieve that look, then just keep watching. Make sure to subscribe and like down below. And thank you for watching today's video. Bye guys. Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for watching today's video if you made it all the way through, and I hope you liked it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you like me, subscribe down below. If you have any video requests, make sure to comment them down below, and I hope you liked it. Bye!